see what we got. Which one you want? This one? Okay. You want the end piece? You want 2 of these? Another end piece? Okay. There you go. What about some of this cheesy bread? Well, it's not really cheesy bread, but you want some of this, a piece of this. All right, and some marinara sauce. Would you like some? Okay. Okay, it's okay. You don't have to have marinara sauce. It just go with the bread. I just thought you might like some. Okay. Okay, what happened here with your sauce? Get a napkin, buddy. Yes, thank you. I forgot to put meat on the pizza, but whatever. You don't always have to have meat on the pizza. I need a napkin too. You're trying to trick you. Don't fall for it. You're going to run right outside. You're going to be like, I'm free. What the heck? What is she doing out? I'll be back, Ste'ce, okay? The other dog I had over here yesterday got out too, and I was like, what the heck? It was all the way across the street. I need to fix that hole. Chloe, come on, mama. How you get out in the front yard? You want to go see your boyfriend? How's he doing? Chloe got out. That's why you couldn't find her earlier. You knew that? Why you didn't tell me? Yeah, she good now. She in here. You know what I'm saying? You want some more juice? Huh? You want more juice? Yes or no? Yeah. Oh my goodness. How's the pizza? The wings are good? Oh, no, I'm good, buddy. Go ahead. You go ahead. Thank you for sharing. You want me to share my food? Is that why you did that? Okay. These are good. You're good, right? We haven't had pizza in a while. Delicious. Delicious. I concur.
dough is tasting good today. Usually I don't like Pizza Hut dough, but they did something different, I think. I don't know. Your crust good? You're lucky you're eating bread today. Usually Ste'ce's gluten-free, but he's having a cheat day. He had a very good past couple of weeks. He's been very good. Yeah, you've been doing good, Ste'ce. I'm very proud of you. Doing your chores every day and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I appreciate it. You want some more pizza? Yeah, go ahead. Help yourself. You getting 2 more? Okay. Close it up. Good. Yeah, it's good. It's not really spicy. I should have got medium, right? This one is mild. Buffalo. I should have got medium. It's not real spicy. You like yours though? Yours is good. What's going on with your chair? Is it broken? What do you want? Use your device.
Yes.
Yes, what?
No.
What do you want? I'm looking for it, buddy. You can actually just say,
Can I have more?
try that.
Can I have more?
No, you try it on your own.
Can I have more?
Yes, you may. I broke off a piece for you so you can have the other half. Here you go. And this is how you say thank you.
Tell.
Oops. This is how you say thank you on here.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. What? Use your device. Don't reach over my plate.
Give.
Girl, I thought you was going upstairs. I thought you was tripping. Behave. All outside in the front yard and all that. Behave, okay? You going to the bathroom? All right.